Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei Nova 10 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using just the home screen as an example for this. Now once your content is open and visible on your screen, simply press power key and volume down at the same time. You'll see this pop-up right here. Now the first time around it gives you this kind of quick guide on how you can navigate through it. So you have share, and also you can capture a scrollable screenshot, which is only accessible when you have content to actually scroll down on, like settings as an example. Now if you don't do anything with that pop-up that was visible, it just disappears, and the screenshots that I have captured can be located in your gallery application. Just go back, there we go. And it's going to be visible in photos. As you can see, there it is, as the latest photo, or also in albums under screenshots, apparently all photos, and yeah, that's uploaded. So let's open up screenshots, and you can see it also in here. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.